You guys, I gotta tell you more about the hawk crow situation, but I'm gonna show you this really quick shot to show you the drama that's happening right now. Check this out. I haven't seen my crows all day. Sorry, I just took a shower. Finally, I heard them cawing, so I came outside. I threw some peanuts down on my driveway. I got them to come here in the tree, and immediately a hawk came and attacked one of the crows, and it flew away. So I've talked to a few people in the neighborhood, a neighbor and someone else I know who also feeds the crows. They saw 5 hawks in my tree one day, and the neighbor across the street, she said they live in a tree right in her backyard. Also, my neighbor said she has seen a lot of little birds dead in her backyard, and there are no more little birds going to her feeders. So, and it's the same for my feeder. No little birds are coming to it, just squirrels. So the hawks are trying to take over this area. I almost had a crow down, and a hawk just came into these trees. Okay, you guys, so I basically threw a bunch of peanuts down on the ground, and the crows were never able to come down because they're being chased away. Guess who is getting to eat the nuts that I threw down? Also, to those who were saying the slinky wouldn't work, I put food in the feeder at 7 this morning, and look, still food. But this also means my crows aren't coming, and they're not able to eat in front of my house right now.